Hi everyone, welcome back to Service Management. So today we will be learning about a concept called online banking. Today we know how much the internet has intruded into our life. Today we can't imagine our life without internet. So that is the kind of impact that internet has left on our lives. All these sectors have adopted technology, including internet. So banking sector is not an exception. So banks moved to the online services in order to provide better services to the customers and better to say uh, to give more convenience to the customers to have their online banking transactions. So internet made it possible that banks today provide most of their services remotely to the customers, whether it is withdrawal of the money, whether it is checking the balance in your account, whether it is making any request, whether it is taking the statement, whether it is transferring funds, whatnot. All the transactions today we are able to do with the help of internet. So first, let us see about online banking. Then we'll go to the what are the services provided by the banks in online mode. So when you talk about what is online banking or banking online, precisely nothing but the bank conducting its transaction with the help of internet, and the two on a smartphone or a computer or a tablet. And all of us know it's very quick. We still remember those days, banks providing services at the branches. People used to go stand in the queue. Sometimes you have to take a leave if you're an employee working somewhere. So these are the scenarios those days. But today, you don't need to do anything. Okay, just log into their website or download their application. A bank provides all their services in the form of the internet. Today, internet has made our life more easier. Okay, and today you don't need to go to the bank and do your transactions at the bank. Even the banks also expecting the customers to use their online services. Why? Because they invested huge money to develop the infrastructure. So they want the customers to avail these services at their doorstep. So online banking, it's become integral part of our life today, and we can see more and more customers will use online banking services in the coming. Coming to what services the banks provide online. Now, when you look at the services what banks provide online, they're enormous, right? Hey, a very few points what I have mentioned here, but the services are enormous. Start with, you can check your balance. You're already having an account, right? And most of these services are provided at no cost. Some services are attracting some charges. So you can check your balance without paying anything to the bank. And you can also view your bank statements. You can download them. Right now, most of the financial institutions, when they lend the loan to the customer, they'll ask the bank statements. Earlier, we used to go to the bank, get a seal and signature in the statement, but today it is not like that. All electronically generated statements, what you can get, just download and send it to the banks where you're looking for a loan. Similarly, fund transfer. I still remember those days. If you want to get money from others, either you have to do money order, and that is no more in the in practice today. Other things like you get a demand draft or a check. The process was very tedious, and it used to take a long time to receive the funds. But today it is not like that. You have various other means to send the money very quickly, like RTGS, EFT, IMPS. There are all various modes of sending money and receiving money between the people with the help of the online banking. And you can pay all your utility bills like electricity bill, gas bill, right? Then you have um, the DTH bills, whatnot. You can pay your insurance premiums, right? You can pay your credit card bills. Okay, all kind of utility bills can be paid with help of online banking services, right? Again, as I said, there are different options are given, like you can pay through net banking, you can pay through debit card, you can pay through now you have the digital wallets. A lot of options are given to the customers where they can make a payment for their utility bills. Of course, today banks make it very easy for the customers to open an account sitting at their home. Not only open, even you can close, right? Okay, just want some basic documents you need to upload, and within minutes, your account will be created online. And of course, you can make payment to merchants. You can while you purchase your products. Lot of the merchants are accepting online payments, and you can see people using the QR code, scanning it, and making payment through digital wallets and other aggregators with the help of other aggregators. All happening online. Then, of course, issue of checkbook, change of password, change of address, right? Change of your telephone number, whatnot. Everything you can do with the help of online banking. So, when you look at these services of online banking, what I mentioned are very few. There are many other services, right? Okay, take for example, say uh, you want to make a payment. There are different options are given. Similarly, when you want to give a request for a change in address or change in password, or you want to get a new debit card, okay, or you have any complaint to raise. So there are so many services which are provided by the banks through online banking services. So, in a nutshell, we can say online banking is growing at a faster rate, and the number of customers who are getting into the online banking transactions is also increasing day by day. So, it's a very good sign for the economy of the country, so that the banks can leverage on the operational cost, and they can save a lot of operational cost since the customer is not coming to the branch. They can reduce the workforce, and they can reduce the operational cost, and they can save a lot of money. So online banking services are definitely a great help for the customers, banks, and